Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about the hashes basics. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, you to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically hashes like the objects in the JavaScript. So they are key value pairs similar to the dictionaries in the other languages. Dictionaries we can use it in a Python language, right? And this would be object in the JavaScript language. So when we declare and dictionary, you can say about the hashes. Okay, so this is how we can declare it and how to extract the values with the person with this colon. Okay, person with age. So this is very important because we have to work on the, you can say about the APIs. So in that case we have object, it's coming, and we have to make our object with getting all the values. So how we can get it? With the help of this one, with person, with colon, the keys. Okay, so you will get it. Or here you can see that you can modify the value with person. Here you are modifying the age with 31. Correct? So this is how you can use the hashes. There is also one thing, that is keyword arguments. Ruby supports a keyword argument, making it easy to specify and identify arguments in the methods. So here you are defining the name, age and the city. Okay, so describe person, name would be Alice, age, city. So this is basically the keyword in the arguments. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video we are going to go through with the Ruby on Rails project directory structure. Thank you so much. Have a great day.